Okay, so SMS Engineering, you recently won the Edge Project of the Year award at our DCS Awards, and I guess it would be good to start with if you can just give us an overview of the winning project. What went on?
Sure, definitely. SMS Engineering was responsible for designing and developing an intelligent IoT edge for Smart Textile Transition 5.0. And this project was a groundbreaking initiative for a major fashion brand that sought to revolutionize its manufacturing processes by integrating cutting-edge technologies. And the goal was to enhance efficiency, productivity, and sustainability across the entire production line. The key deliverables of this project included real-time processing and analytics. In fact, the IoT Edge data center enabled real-time data collection and analysis from various sources on the factory floor, including sensors, machines, and production lines. This provided valuable insights into operational performance, enabling data-driven decision-making by optimizing processes and minimizing downtime. It also enhanced decision-making by equipping the company with real-time insights. In fact, the IoT Edge empowered them to make timely, informed decisions to improve production's efficiency, reduce waste, and optimize resource allocation. It also improved product quality because the real-time data monitoring enabled proactive identification and rectification of potential quality issues. And this was all thanks to the implementation of an edge data center, which was the main part of the project, because edge data centers are data centers where the source is located inside the company, so that the delay between the elaboration of the data is it is cancelled. The delay is cancelled because there's no need to have a connectivity behind in order to reach the main data center. So we also reached as a deliverable a boosted sustainability, because the IoT Edge contributed to the company's sustainability goals by optimizing energy consumption, reducing waste generation, and promoting eco-friendly manufacturing practices. And this is because our fully integrated architecture that was able to integrate with all the data center layers inside existing ecosystem in order to provide easy, flexible, and resilient architecture. And this is thanks also to our experience, which allowed us to implement, test, and monitor this kind of data center for this project.
Okay, I mean, that's a great sort of overview, and also you've outlined quite a lot of the benefits of the project. I mean, I'm just wondering, were there any particular challenges you encountered on the way as you implemented, or did it all run smoothly?
Sure, definitely. Implementing this project presented definitely several challenges that required careful planning, and in order to integrate innovative solutions. The first challenge was definitely the system integration, because integrating IoT Edge solutions with the company's existing legacy systems and infrastructure was for sure a complex task. SMS Engineering's team had to ensure seamless data exchange and compatibility between various systems to achieve a unified view of the manufacturing process. Also, network security, securing the vast amounts of data generated and processed by the IoT Edge data center was paramount, because SMS Engineering had to implement robust cybersecurity measures, including data encryptions, access controls, and network monitoring to safeguard sensitive information and protect against cyber threats. Change management also is an important point, because implementing the new IoT Edge solution involved a significant shift into the company's operational processes and workflows. SMS Engineering provided comprehensive training and support to employees to ensure a smooth transition and an effective adoption of the new technology.
Okay, and in terms, I mean, I say you outlined a lot of the benefits that the company got, but in terms, I don't know whether there was a financial, I mean, return on investment often is a way of quoting, you know, where they save certain amounts of money, or in general terms, it seems as if the data that they obtained was, you know, obviously a massive business win for them. So just, I don't know, anything else you want to add about the benefits that the company
Oh,
saw?
yeah, definitely. Reduced costs are one of the most important things that you can get with an edge data center solution, because it doesn't need really expensive data center infrastructure, because we're talking about an edge data center, not a main data center or a cloud data center. Also, other advantages that we can have are reduced latency, because as mentioned above, edge computing can significantly reduce latency by processing data closer to its source. And this is important for applications that require a real-time data, such as autonomous vehicles, for example, industrial automation, or maybe something funnier like online gaming. Improved bandwidth is also another benefit, because edge computing can also improve bandwidth by reducing the amount of data that needs to be transmitted to central data centers. This is important for applications that generate a large amount of data, such as video surveillance, IoT applications, high definition video streaming, and so on. Edge computing can enhance also security by isolating data and processing closer to the source. This can help protect sensitive data from being intercepted or accessed by unauthorized users. For example, if a hacker breaches an edge device, they will only have access to the data that is stored on that device, and they will not have access to the data that is stored on other devices or into the central data center. And speaking about security, we for sure have to speak about privacy, because edge computing can also increase privacy by giving users more control over their data, because users can choose to store and process their data locally rather than sending it to the cloud or other data centers that are separated from the edge one. And this is becoming increasingly important as people become more and more aware of privacy risks associated with cloud computing.
And I'm just wondering as well, in terms of the project, were there any particular lessons do you think that were learned by yourselves and or the client that might be relevant just to sort of air or share for other people that might be looking at, you know, implementing an edge computing solution? So yeah, just anything that sort of wisdom you'd like to share as to
Sure, of course. Yeah, SMS Engineering offers valuable lessons for companies that consider edge computing solutions. The first one, I believe, is conduct a thorough assessment, because before embarking on an edge computing project, but I believe in every IT project, it is crucial to conduct a comprehensive assessment of the company's needs, goals, and existing infrastructure. And this will help in defining clear objectives, identifying potential challenges, and selecting the most appropriate edge computing solution. Also prioritize security. Security should be at the forefront of any edge computing implementation. Companies must establish robust security measures to protect sensitive data, prevent unauthorized access, and maintain compliance with data privacy regulations. Another thing that we can say is also to start small and scale gradually. Instead of a complete overhaul, it's important to consider a phased approach, starting with a pilot project to gain experience and refine the implementation strategy over time. And this allows for incremental progress, it allows you to mitigate the risks and to improve continuously. And another important thing is also to choose the right partners, because collaborating with experienced technology partners and domain experts can significantly enhance the success of an edge computing project. And their expertise can definitely guide the implementation process and ensure technical compatibility and provide ongoing support as well. I believe these are the must-haves for any project.
Okay, and then perhaps just thinking a bit more generally about edge computing. Again, you outlined the benefits of the project to the customers. I don't know if there are any more sort of more general benefits of edge computing you want to discuss. And perhaps also you could say a little bit about how you see the future of edge computing, as to whether you think it's going to be adopted more and more by companies for the reasons you've probably already outlined, or if it'll still remain, or I say still remain, more of a sort of specialist, application for certain customers in certain scenarios. Just your thoughts, I suppose, again, benefits and where edge computing is going to.
Oh, well, edge computing is poised for continued growth and expansion, driven by several key factors, which, for examples, are the proliferation of IT devices, because as the number of IoT devices continue to explode, generating vast amounts of data at the edge, the demand for edge computing solutions, I believe, would only intensify. Also, the rise of real-time applications is causing an explosion into edge computing market, because the increasing prevalence of real-time applications like autonomous vehicles, like I said, augmented reality, smart manufacturing will definitely propel for the adoption of edge computing to enable this really requested low latency data processing and decision making. Also, the advancements in technology, like advancements in hardware, software, and networking technology, will make edge computing solution more powerful, efficient, and cost effective, I believe, further accelerating their adoption across diverse sectors and industries that need this low latency. And also growing concerns about data privacy and security, I believe, are also another point that is really important. Edge computing's ability to process data closer to the source aligns with increasing focus on data privacy and security, making it more attractive solution in terms of more of instead of considering the cloud computing, because the data needs to go outside instead of staying inside your data center. And also with the arrival of artificial intelligence, I believe that would be a fusion inside the edge data center projects, because it will be one of the biggest applications in the near future. And definitely SMS Engineering, with its proven track record and commitment to innovation, is also well positioned to capitalize on the immense opportunities presented by the edge computing landscape. And the company's expertise and experience will be instrumental in guiding businesses towards successful edge computing implementations, unlocking new levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovations in the years to come, especially with this kind of data centers.
Yeah, and you've mentioned cloud computing a couple of times, sort of contrasting maybe. So perhaps you could do that more fully, just your thoughts as to sort of where cloud computing plays versus edge computing, and perhaps compare and contrast, advantages, disadvantages of each approach. It'd be good to understand.
Sure. I believe they're the same medal but different faces. So cloud computing and edge computing are both powerful technologies that offer distinct advantages and disadvantages for different use cases. I believe they're not in competition with each other. They are more two kind of networks of the same architecture that every customer should need to build and make hybrid, because there are cloud infrastructures, on-prem infrastructures, and hybrid infrastructures, which is a mixture of the two. And I believe that the hybrid infrastructure are perfect in order to fuse the advantages of one and the advantages of the other, because it increases flexibility, security, speed, resilience, sustainability, all positive adjectives that can be fused together. What I can say is that cloud computing advantages are definitely the scalability, because cloud computing offers on-demand scalability, allowing businesses to quickly scale resources up or down to meet fluctuating demands. Also, it could be more cost-effective in some ways. It depends, because it can be more cost-effective compared to maintaining on-premises infrastructures, as it eliminates the need for upfront capital expenditures and ongoing maintenance costs. Obviously, there are costs there and there are costs here, but it depends on the kind of investment that one has to do. Cloud computing also has a global reach, because it provides global reach and accessibility, enabling data and applications to be accessed definitely from anywhere with an internet connection. And it also has centralized management, because cloud computing can offer centralized management of data application infrastructure, simplifying IT operations and maintenance. It also has its own disadvantages like latency, because it can introduce latency, because the data needs to be transmitted with an internet connection elsewhere into the cloud, which can be an issue for real-time applications. And for this, an edge data center would be better. Also, security could be a concern, because storing sensitive data in the cloud, it could be a problem, because it relies on third-party infrastructures that we cannot control directly. And because of this, we cannot monitor the security measures applied into a cloud data center. It also causes an effect called vendor lock-in, because once migrated to the cloud, businesses may become locked into a particular cloud provider, making it really difficult to switch provider. And it also gives you a limited control, as it may limit an organization's control over its data and infrastructure compared to an on-premise solution. And as I said before, edge computing can balance all these issues by providing low latency, data privacy, reduced bandwidth consumption, because it doesn't need to go over the internet. And it also gives you the possibility to operate offline, because it can operate even in the absence of internet connectivity, ensuring business continuity in remote or unreliable network environments. It also has its disadvantages, which are actually the opposite of cloud, because it doesn't have scalability, because it needs to be implemented, hardware needs to be implemented manually, and it can be challenging for large-scale workloads. It increases the complexity, because it can be more complex compared to centralized cloud infrastructures. It definitely gives you the necessity to have local expertise, because implementing and managing edge computing may require specialized and expert people and resources in order to maintain it. But for that, SMS Engineering is there. And both together, I believe, cloud and on-prem are the right choice for I can say every single customer, because if every single customer will implement an on-prem and cloud together, it will suppress the disadvantages of one and will get there will be a mixture of advantages of all those two solutions. And I believe that every customer should actually have a hybrid solution whenever possible.
No, that makes a lot of sense. And I guess it would be nice to know. I mean, you won Edge Project of the Year. It'd just be good to know what that means for winning the DCS Award means for SMS Engineering as a company. Yeah, it'd be nice to know.
Sure. Well, actually, earning the DCS award for SMS Engineering represents a significant milestone and a testament to the company's expertise edge computing inside edge computing solutions. Because it gives us definitely industry recognition. This award serves as an external validation of SMS Engineering's capabilities in designing, implementing, and delivering impactful edge computing solutions that address real-world business challenges. It also gives a commitment to innovation, because it demonstrates SMS Engineering's dedication to innovation and its ability to stay ahead of the curve into this rapidly evolving field, which is edge computing. This award highlights the company's commitment to customer satisfaction, showcasing its ability to deliver tangible results and exceed client expectations. And winning this award definitely enhances SMS Engineering's reputation to credibility within the industry, and positioning it as a trusted provider of edge computing solution, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, and maybe just as we finish, we've covered a lot of ground, but I'm always greedy for more. So perhaps I can just ask you, in terms of the roadmap for SMS Engineering, there may be things you can't share, but can you just give us some indication of what to expect from the company over the next 12 or 18 months, and what things you might be looking at, what to look out for would be good.
Sure, definitely. SMS Engineering roadmap is really rich. We do not only provide edge data center solution, but we're also involved into other fields like cybersecurity, cloud computing, networking, edge computing. There's a lot of stuff that we have on our roadmap, especially into cybersecurity, because implementing next generation AI-driven threat detection, enhanced encryption protocols is one of them. Is one of the points into our roadmap. We're currently already implementing into our clients really advanced technologies that could help them protect against advanced cyber threats. We're also specialized into cloud computing. We're expanding our services with providing improved scalability, reliability, multi-cloud solutions, and optimized resource management for cost-effective operations. We're also involved into networking architectures by integrating LAN WAN configurations, VPNs, IoT connectivity with high bandwidth, and resilient network infrastructures. We're also into AI and ML integration fields, because leveraging AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance is the future of IT market, and will provide advanced data analytics and automation to streamline operations and provide productivity to improve productivity to our clients, and everything made with client-centric solutions by offering customized solutions, 24/7 technical support, dedicated account management, and personalized consulting services to support clients' digital transformation. I can say that overall SMS Engineering is focused on delivering cutting-edge technology solutions with an emphasis on cybersecurity, cloud computing, networking, and sustainability to help clients thrive into this digital age.
Okay, I mean, it's been brilliant to chat to you, and obviously good to celebrate your winning of the award. And it sounds like, from what you've just shared there, you're going to be very busy into the future as well, which is great.
We hope so. We hope so.
Yeah. But at least for now, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate talking to you.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thanks for your time.